Welcome to my new pet collection. I have over 40 digitals that are perfect for your furry little friend. This is an example of my daughter with her dog Willow, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. So I'm going to come into Photoshop. Know that I am on Photoshop 2026. If you're not, you should consider upgrading. If you're on Photoshop 2025, you can do filter neural filters, and it'll do the same thing if you go to harmonize that I'm going to show you. Or you can also try Adobe Beta. So let me show you how to do the 2026 version. So I'm going to click on the image and I'm just going to do select subject. If you find that you don't have this toolbar, it's basically called the window contextual taskbar. Okay, then you want to click on your move tool, make sure that the light is coming from the same way, it's coming from the left, and we're going to drag it in. And then what we want to do is we want to scale it down, edit, transform, scale. And we're going to bring it down. It is a doghouse, so we don't want to make them too small. But it is a pretty big doghouse, so we'll just say about here. And you want to get them in the right spot. And then I'm going to click harmonize. When you do this, it's going to give you 3 variations. You can decide which one works for you, or you can keep doing it until you get the results that you would like. So we're going to come in here, give it a second. And there's option 1, there's option 2, and there's option 3. I like option 2, my favorite, but I could also generate it again if I needed to. And then flatten, save as a JPEG. These are all high res, so you can print them. You can make a canvas, shirts, mouse pads, great for Christmas gifts or really any time of the year. But I thought it would be a super fun way to show our special little furry friends how much we love them and put a special place in the home. Enjoy.